Manually copying orders, battling spreadsheets, and packing all night? This chaos ends now. Step 1. Seamless connection. We integrate directly with your Shopify or WooCommerce store in minutes, not days. Step 2. Auto-sync. Orders flow into our system in real time, with automatic validation to flag any issues instantly. Step 3. Smart fulfillment. Our warehouse system guides picking, packing, and labeling with 99.9% accuracy, tailored to your brand. Step 4. Live tracking and support. Tracking numbers auto-update in your panel. We handle all shipping inquiries, so you don't have to. This is the Osports fulfillment engine. Fully automated, utterly reliable, and dedicated to your growth. Focus on marketing, we handle the rest. Ready to simplify your supply chain? We are Osports, your bridge to China. Contact us today.